Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the USB hub in your Philips 276B. You can see that on your monitor there are 4 USB-A ports in total, 2 on the side and 2 on the bottom. Now, in order to make them work, you'll need to plug your monitor into your computer, but not only with the HDMI or DisplayPort cable, but also with the USB-C cable. And USB-C port is right here, you can see it. This port can be either used for display input or for the USB ports to be functional. Of course, if your laptop supports your laptop or computer supports display output through USB-C, then you can just use one cable to connect it as a display and also to connect it as a display hub, as a USB hub. There is a cable included in the box for this monitor, right here as you can see. And on the one end it's USB-C, so it goes into your monitor. On the other one it's USB-A, but once you take the adapter off, it's USB-C. So whatever your computer takes, you can plug it in. Now, once you plug it in to your computer, also remember that if you're using display output through either HDMI or DisplayPort, that also has to be plugged in. So there's a high chance that two cables need to be plugged into your computer. You'll have these USB ports as well as these functional. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.